Today is a happy day because it's another Ding Ding's Dim Sum special. Today on the menu, we have少少黑椒, also known as deep fried shrimp salad rolls. This right here, it might just be better than your favorite dim sum spot. Let's get started. Start by cutting the peaches. Now cut the shrimp into small pieces. Next, place the shrimp into a pot of boiling water and blanch. Shrimp cooks very fast, only about 40 seconds and it's ready. Immediately cool down the shrimp in cold water, then strain to dry. The drier the better, so if you can, use a paper towel to lightly pat dry as well. Now add a few drops of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, a little black pepper, five tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and mix. Avoid over mixing it. I'll be using these spring roll wrappers today. You can also use rice paper as well if you don't have these. When peeling the wrappers, you don't want to rip it, so peel all corners first, then the middle. Place a scoop of shrimp, then add some peaches. Maverick Chung 3875 asks, do I have to use peaches? I don't have peaches at home. Don't worry, peaches are just what I recommend. You can also use lychee, mangoes, or even mixed fruit. Whatever you like. Now fold both sides. Fold the bottom. Then as you roll it, apply pressure so that the filling is nice and tight. Brush a small layer of egg wash to seal the roll. After all the rolls are wrapped, we can now coat it in some breadcrumbs. Start by coating it in all-purpose flour. Now egg wash. And then breadcrumbs. We want each piece to be nicely coated. The breadcrumbs I'm using are Japanese panko breadcrumbs, but you can use whatever you want. To deep fry, make sure that the oil is not too hot, otherwise it will burn very quickly. The filling is already cooked, so the purpose of deep frying is just to get it nice and crispy. Once each side is golden brown, it's ready to go. Rest on a rack to strain out all the oil before serving.
우와, 好正啊!
If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.